Hi friends, and thanks for coming by the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. I am Larry, and I'm painting for you again today. We've got an 8x10 canvas all set up here on my spinner, and I've got my house paint. We mixed up some more pigments to make another fun bloom, so let's have at it, shall we? So I'm just going to break the surface tension a little bit on the end, and I'm going to spin this out. See how this goes. So I had to add a second layer of paint on this one because I didn't have enough paint and we were washing out all the colors. But putting the second run through it really created a, I'm stunned at it. Absolutely stunned. I don't even know what to say. It's this is the best one I've done. Overall, I'm very happy with it. As always, thank you for coming by. If you like what we're doing here, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out our Etsy page. And we're going to have a big announcement in August. And I can't tell you what it is. It's a super secret, but stay tuned. Bye.